Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. This is all I use to cook pizza with using the Ooni Karu. So let's go through them. Well, firstly, I've got the Ooni Karu, and then I've got the Gosney peel, the Epicotis by 12-inch pizza peel, the grate, a glove for protection, butane gas burner with the burner bit, wood, laser temperature, and the gas burner, and some charcoal. So this is what I use. If you are new to pizza cooking and you're not quite sure what you need, this I think is some helpful starter here as to what I use, so you might find this useful. I'll go through each bit and at what stage I use them. I'll start off with the fuel because that's always the most important thing, is getting the oven out and then deciding which fuel you're going to use. So this is the gas burner fuel burner. This is the Ooni fuel burner, and I just put that on the back. It's just easy, you just slot it in. So that's what I use when I cook with the gas, and then I would check the stone temperature with this, and I cook with the stone at about 410 degrees centigrade on this oven. So this is great. You can't really cook pizza without a laser thermometer, otherwise you won't know what temperature your stone is at, and then that means that you can burn or undercook your base because of it. So it's really important, if you've just bought a pizza oven, to get a laser temperature thermometer. You will need to launch your pizza once it's made. I make my pizza on these peels. This is a wooden Epicotis by made in Italy peel. I've had this for 4 years and it's been through a lot with me, and I use it for every cook. I find that the pizza just glides off it with a bit of semolina or flour underneath. This peel is 11.5 inches that way and 12 inches this way, and it fits perfectly in the Ooni Karu pizza oven. Perfect size for this oven. I then use the Gosney turning peel to turn my pizza. It's a 7-inch peel and it also fits really well in this oven. As you can see, the handle just fits perfectly. It'll always be about there when you're turning, so you've got plenty of room. This is the short-handled version and I love it. It's got a steel head and it's got a beautiful balance to it. It's my go-to pizza peel. And it's lasted me for a good few years as well. It's easy to keep clean. That's what I use for the gas. When I use wood, I just change the gas burner over to the wood burner. You have to put the burner through the front of the oven. It doesn't go in through the back, but it's got a big grate that's big enough to heat your oven up and cook with it. So it's a really nice sized and easy to use grate, because you can add more of your fuel as it's cooking through the top end at the back, which is shown here. I don't really use a glove much when I use the Karu, because you know it's quite easy to add the wood without burning your fingers, but if you prefer, make sure you get an oven glove that will protect your hands up to 600 degrees centigrade. I use kindling and charcoal to light the fire. And that's all I use. Again, I check the temperature with my laser thermometer, and that's pretty much everything I use to cook with the Ooni Karu. I don't need anything else, that's it. I know there's a lot there, but it's You know, it's stuff that I've bought a long time ago. These cans last a long time as well to light up. So everything, once you get your equipment, it will last you a good while. It's just that initial investment in them. It costs a bit, but once you've got them, they're good quality and they last a long time. So thought it might be helpful to show you, so that if you are new to pizza making and you've just bought a pizza oven, then this is just an overview of what you might need. Take care, hope you're okay, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.